What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jordan Hauser Digital for another episode. Today we're going to be talking about how to make some money with your stock photography. We have a basic white background here. We're just going to be shooting isolated shots. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open this up. I feel like shooting some cool electronics today. So we're going to go ahead and strap the 100mm macro onto our camera. We're not setting up any fancy lights. We're not doing anything like that because this is DIY. So as long as we have a camera and our flash and our white background, we're good to go. You can shoot animals, food, architecture, sports, anything you want. You can shoot technology if you want. But I think that it would look really cool with the macro lens to really get up onto like those resistors and things like that on the inside of the remote. I've got my ISO at 200, I've got my shutter speed at 200, and I've got my aperture at f8, so everything stays in focus. That's the big thing when you're shooting stock photography. You really have to have everything in TAC focus. I'm talking like the sharpest focus you've ever had in your entire life needs to happen right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna swing around this table here and I'm gonna go ahead and try and get some really cool shots. All right, so we got some really great images so far. While I'm set up, I might as well shoot a couple different things. This is a super easy setup. Any of you guys can do this. And if you wanna make some money with your photography, this is a simple way to do it. You really don't need to depend on like models or people like clients trying to book you or anything like that. You just set up a piece of poster board and take some pictures of some interesting things you got laying around the house. People will buy that stuff. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pump these images into the computer and we'll see what we came up with, all right? This was simple. Here are the best photos from each product that we shot. I know that we went a little over 2 minutes today, but if you guys are learning, then I'm happy. It definitely is better for me to go ahead and upload some stuff that you guys are learning from and not just pump out content just for the sake of sticking to a schedule. So if you guys aren't subscribers to this channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for a full tutorial on how to shoot some B-roll. All right, we'll see you guys later.